Hi, this is Bill. So what I'm about to show you is how you can build an AI chatbot in just 10 minutes. So using my MacBook terminal, you will see that I managed to integrate with Chatbot OpenAI. So let us put it in a test by start typing hello, and you will see that it is responding as expected. And let us test it with more questions. What are the top 10 AI bots that you recommend? And let's press enter. So you can see that it provides the top 10, so you can experience the full capability of AI bot in your terminal. So as an AI engineer or as AI developer, you can easily build and integrate with OpenAI in a matter of minutes. So how did I do that? So let me go to the OpenAI website. So one of the things I've encountered is it doesn't go for free. So I needed to like top up with a minimum of $5. So from there is like you need to go to this website. If you haven't done so, you will need to create a login. And as you log in, you need to add your payment details so it receives a minimum of $5. So from there, as you top up your account, then you will need to create an API key. So as you create and generate a new secret key, so you will need to copy that and paste it somewhere safe. And as you have that secret key and a top up on Open API platform, then you will need to run these steps. So the first step is basically you will need to open your terminal. So to open your terminal, you will need to go to search and open your terminal. So from there, this view will come out. Then you will need to run these commands. So from the first step is you're going to create a folder. So this name of the folder can vary depending on your liking. And as you basically create that folder, you will need to change the directory and move inside that folder. And from there, if you haven't done so, you will need to install Python and activate it. And as you activate Python, then you will need to install the OpenAI. So as you do that, the next step is you need to create a file name, which is ending .py, or this is like a Python file name. So Nano is basically creating a file, and you will need to paste this code. So here, this code here that you see, you will need to paste it. And let me scroll down so you could copy it as expected. And I will add the documentation in my notes below in the description for your be able to easy to follow. And the API key that we described earlier, you will need to replace it with your own API key. And as you paste it there, then you're almost half done and you will need to run your chatbot. So this command is like launching your AI chatbot. So after launching it, then you will be able to run your chatbot as I showed you earlier. So I've run a few errors earlier, so I put some notes, but following these three steps that I just showed you, you will not need to worry about step four in being able to be successful in running your first AI chatbot using your MacBook. So if this is your first time building your AI chatbot, so I know you're quite excited. And as you know, that AI is very famous and learning this new technology will bring you to a greater mile. I hope you find my video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join as a member to get more free videos and to support my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video.